In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable customer bank transfers in your Stripe account. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account and platform settings. After the Settings page opens, go to the Product Settings section. In that area, click Payments. This will take you to the part of Stripe where you can manage the ways your customers are allowed to pay you. Next, open the Payment Methods tab. Here you will see the list of payment methods that are available for your account. To find the correct option more quickly, use the search bar if it is visible. You can also scroll through the list manually until you locate Customer Bank Transfers. Once you find Customer Bank Transfers, click on it to open its settings page. On this screen, Stripe will usually show you more information about the payment method. Take a moment to review the details carefully. This may include supported currencies, availability by region, and any eligibility requirements your business needs to meet before the payment method can be activated. Stripe may ask you to complete additional setup before the payment method can be activated fully. If that happens, follow the on-screen instructions and provide any required business or verification information. After completing any requested setup, click Save to apply the changes. This is important because your selection may not be finalized until the settings are saved properly. Once you have saved everything, go back to the Payment Methods page. Look through the list again and confirm that Customer Bank Transfers now appears as enabled. This final check helps you verify that the payment method has been turned on successfully and is ready to be used in your Stripe account, assuming your account is eligible and fully configured. Your Stripe account is now set up to accept customer bank transfers based on the options available in your region and account type. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.